So today's project is fixing this water tank and getting it filled. This is how we water the garden in the summertime. It's a 300-gallon water tank, and she has a problem. At one point, somebody was probably going way too fast, hit a big bump and tore all this metal. You see that it's torn and cracked all the way up here. It's torn and cracked down there. It's cracked from here all the way down to here. On this side, it's cracked from here to here. So basically the only good part of metal that's keeping the tongue of this thing on is this section right here on either side. Both tops and bottom are all torn out and bent. So what I'm hoping to do is get the top pieces here that are really bent out of place, get those pounded out with a sledgehammer, get the paint ground off, get some beads on that. And then as for the bottom, I don't know, the bottom's gonna be tricky. This could probably be welded here, but this right here is too big of a gap, so I'll probably try to pound that back down and see if I can get these to touch. Step number one is unhook the hose and try to get this guy fired up. So it's been a little while since I started this thing. We should have enough gas. And it looks like we got plenty of oil, so it looks good. It doesn't look watery. We gotta go get the jump pack and try to jump this thing. Oh, there's a second one. I guess we'll take this with the old one. I don't want to burn up the new one. Okay, we got everything we need. Got her! She hasn't moved in a while. I don't know about this side because this is so bent here. I think I'll end up doing a plate across that. We'll do a plate on this side. I guess while we're at it, well, we'll definitely do a plate on this side. I don't know if I really need one on this side. That meshed up pretty well. Oh no, guys. Guys, this is bad. I'm gonna take a picture. I just lost my front screen. It's all. My front screen's gone. Oh, that stinks. I use that all the time. Alright, I found a candidate. This nice piece of metal that I have no idea where it came from. Oh yeah, that'll work good. That needs to be pounded down a little bit right there. We got a high point. There we go. There we go. Doesn't look too bad actually. Now I just gotta do some there, gotta do some there. Alright, so we got one weld down right here, which is probably good enough, but what I'm going to do is we're going to do a plate. Oh, just a small plate over the top of this, and then we'll switch to the bottom. As you guys can see, we're going to need a plate for the bottom too, so let's get this plate on. So this is so bent down here that I decided we're just going to take a piece of rebar here and bridge that gap. So we'll end up doing two plates on top here, and we got the one rebar on the bottom. So this should be all set to go now. I'm gonna start this up, pull her down. Just a little something to keep the rust off. old farm and implement paint. No. Don't die on me. There we go, that looks good. Yeah. I'm gonna say this just passed the prime. There we go. That matches pretty well. Spruce Hill Painting. Booking cancellations now. Wake up! Alright guys, I just shut the pump off. There's not enough water. Alright guys, that's where I'm going to leave this one off, because obviously we're not filling the water tank. But I am glad that we finally got around to welding this up. It's pretty dry now. It's September now. Honestly, I don't know if we're going to fill this thing up again this year, maybe. That's where I'm going to leave this one off. If you guys did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.